Hey, what's up guys? So this is one of so many reasons why I need a dashcam in my car. Now I'm gonna show you why you need one of these on your car.
Today I got here this dashcam from AZDOME. This is the M550 model. So I'm gonna show you the best features and the reason why you need one of these on your car. So as you can see, it's a really nice resolution on this camera too. Here you can actually enter the menu and you can go through all of the different options that you have. As you can see, this is the one that is looking towards the front of the car, and this is the one that is actually looking inside the car. So you can have those two options at the same time, and then you can connect one more here that is going to be on the back of the car as well.
Have you ever been in a situation like this, or maybe worse, and you wish that you can zoom in and you can see all the numbers on the license plate like this? Or maybe one of those cool moments where people are waving at you. Also when you're entertaining kids because they're super excited with Lightning McQueen on the road. Check out this amazing dash cam with built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, 4K resolution, mobile app, and so many more features.